Champagne Reefs KJ. Children, I am happy to meet you all today through this video class. Today, we are going to discuss some of the important problems from the chapter Arithmetic Progression in Maths. A sequence is an arrangement of any objects or a set of numbers in a particular order followed by some rule. Examples of real-life arithmetic sequence are arrangement of chairs, seating around tables, pyramid-like pattern where objects are increasing and decreasing in a constant manner, fencing and perimeter. Arithmetic progression can be applied in a life by analyzing a certain pattern. For example, arithmetic progression used in straight line depreciation, arithmetic progression used in prediction of any sequence like when someone is waiting for a cab, assuming that the traffic is moving at a constant speed, he or she can predict when the next cab will come, and so on. Introduction for arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. The general form of an AP is given by A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. The nth term of an AP, the nth term AN of the AP with the first term A and common difference D is given by AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D. The sum of n terms of an AP is calculated by using the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D when A, n and D values are given. Sn is also calculated by using the formula Sn equals n by 2 into A plus An when the nth term of the sequence is given. Sn can also be calculated by using the formula Sn equals n by 2 into A plus L when the last term is given. First problem. In a sequence, if An equals n square plus 4, then find A2. The answer is An equals n square plus 4. By substituting the value for n, we get A2 equals n value is 2, so 2 square plus 4. Which is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 4. We get 8. Therefore, A2 equals 8. The second problem is find the sum of the series 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus up to 10 terms. And the answer is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus so on to 10 terms, in which the first term A equals 3 and the common difference D equals 7 minus 3, which is equals to 4, and number of terms n equals 10. By using the sum formula, we have Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. By substituting the values, S10 equals 10 by 2 into 2 into a value 3 plus 10 minus 1 into the d value 4. By simplifying, we get 2 1s are 2 5s are into 2 3s are 6 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 4, which is equal to 5 into 6 plus 9 4s are 36, which is equal to 5 into 36 plus 6 is 42, which is equal to 5 into 42 is 210. Problem number 3. The fourth term of an arithmetic progression is 10 and the 11th term of it exceeds 3 times the fourth term by 1. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the progression. The answer is A4 equals 10. A4 is given by A plus 3D, which is equals to 10. Consider this as equation number 1. Also, A11 is given as 3 times the fourth term plus 1. A11 is written as A plus 10D, which is equals to 3 times the fourth term is given as 10 plus 1. Therefore, A plus 10D is equals to 3 into 10 30 plus 1 31. Consider this as equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2, we get A plus 3D equals 10 and A plus 10D equals 31. By changing the signs of the second equation, plus A minus A gets cancelled. 10D minus 3D equals 7D, which is equals to 31 minus 10 equals 21. Now the D value is calculated by using D equals 21 by 7, which is equals to 3. By substituting the D value equals 3 in equation number 1, we get A plus 3D equals 10. Therefore, A plus 3 into D value 3 equals 10. Now, A plus 3 3s are 9 equals 10. By bringing the numbers on the same side, A equals 10 minus 9. Therefore, A equals 1. Now we can find the sum of first 20 terms of the progression by taking A equals 1, D equals 3, N equals 20. By using the sum formula, Sn equals n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now by substituting the values, S n value 20 equals 20 by 2 into 2 into A value 1 plus 20 minus 1 into D value 3. Simplifying, we get 10 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 19 into 3. Now this is equal to 10 into 2 plus 19 3s are 57. Therefore, 10 into 57 plus 2 59, which is equals to 10 into 59 590. Problem number 4. In an AP, if the third term is 16 and the seventh term is 12 more than the fifth term, then find the AP. The answer is third term is given by A3, which is equals to 16, and A3 is written as A plus 2D, which is equals to 16. Consider this as equation number 1. Also, given that the seventh term A7 equals A5 plus 12, Now A7 is written as A plus 6D, which is equals to, the fifth term is written as A plus 4D plus 12. Bringing A and D on the same side, we get A minus A plus 6D minus 4D, which is equals to 12. Now plus A minus A gets cancelled. 6D minus 4D is 2D, which is equals to 12. Therefore, D equals 12 divided by 2. Therefore, D value is 6. Now, substituting D equals 6 in equation number 1, we get A plus 2D equals 16. A plus 2 into 6 is equals to 16. Now, A plus 12 is equals to 16. Now, bringing 12 on the other side, we get A equals 16 minus 12. Therefore, A value is given 4. Using A equals 4 and D equals 6, we can find AP. The general term of AP is given by A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. Now, let us substitute the values. A value 4, A plus D is 4 plus 6, and A plus 2D is 4 plus 2 into 6. By simplifying, we get 4, 10 and 16. Therefore, AP is 4, 10 and 16. Problem number 5. There are 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. The sum of these terms is 55 and the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Find the terms of the arithmetic progression. The answer is, let the 5 terms of the AP be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D. Their sum is given as 55. Now adding the terms, we get A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D equals 55. By adding the like terms, we get 5A plus 10D equals 55. Dividing the equation by 5, we get A plus 2D equals 11. Consider this as equation number 1. Also, we have A4 equals A1 plus A2 plus 5. A4 is written as A plus 3D, which is equals to the first term A plus the second term A plus D plus 5. A plus 3D equals A plus A to A plus D plus 5. Bringing the like terms on the same side, we get A minus 2A plus 3D minus D equals 5. Therefore, minus A plus 2D equals 5. Consider this as equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2, we get A plus 2D equals 11 minus A plus 2D equals 5. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. 2D plus 2D 4D, which is equals to 11 plus 5 16. Therefore, D equals 16 divided by 4. Therefore, D value is 4. Substituting D equals 4 in 1, we get A plus 2D equals 11. A plus 2 into 4 equals 11. A plus 8 equals 11. Therefore, A value equals 11 minus 8. We get A as 3. Using a equals 3 and d value 4, we get the 5 terms of the AP are: a is 3, a plus d equals 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7. A plus 2d equals 3 plus 2 into 4, which is equals to 3 plus 8, which is equals to 11. And a plus 3d equals 3 plus 3 into 4, which is equals to 3 plus 12, which is equals to 15. A plus 4d equals 3 plus 4 into 4, which is equals to 3 plus 16, which comes to 19. Therefore, the 5 terms are 3, 7, 11, 15 and 19. Children, do the following problems for your assignment. First problem: if an equals 2n square minus 2, then find the value of a3. Second problem: find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic series 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus so on using suitable formula. The third problem: if the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of n terms.
Children, I hope that you would have enjoyed today's video class, knowing how arithmetic progression is made use in our day-to-day life. So children, work out all the problems what we have discussed today and score high in your maths. Thank you children.